You know, I got my earrings in, my shades on, my tiara, and then I also have, you know, the earphones from like the early 2000s, y'all. What the boy from Hardball had on when he was listening to music, trying to pitch, y'all. So I'm Zia Zebra. If you don't know, I create clothing and I also give tips and tricks in like makeup, cheap thrift shopping, beginner sewer tips, try on hauls, Sims 4, and more. So please stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. This is, the lovely dress right here. And, that I got from a thrift shop. And this is how I bubbled the bottom. I would love for you, babes, to check out that DIY of how I actually bubbled the bottom. And sorry for the lighting, y'all, but this is, the extra detail. Would love for you, babes, to hit that like button so others can have a chance to hear a good word or see a good project through the algorithm. And it is, shining, y'all. And these are the lovely headphones to be the princess, and they are early 2000s headphones. If you know, you know. These are the long gloves that I have right here, y'all, which are so cute. They're brand new. I've been having them in my drawer. And the earrings that I will be wearing are these lovely clip-on earrings that I got right here, that I got from, a little T-Mart, which I love these. Sorry for the blur, y'all. Lovely tiara right here, y'all, that I wore to be Carrie White. And then I'm also wearing, I hate that it's chipping off right here, y'all. I'm just not noticing that. And other places, but this is a lovely tiara that I will be wearing, the gold and silver. And these are the shades, that I got from AliExpress that I will be wearing as well with my headphones and accessories. I am actually doing the look from the Princess Diaries movie cover. It's the early 2000s movie. I really love the early 2000s to the late 90s, y'all. And this is the boots that I will be wearing, my leather boots that I also wore to be my butterfly costume. I am excited to do my last look, y'all. I actually picked up this look at the last minute, and I actually already did my hair and, all that type of stuff. I just did, my real hair out. Baby hair is not too, dramatic. And I have a fake bun that I got from, the little corner store, which is so cute, y'all. But I wanted to do this look because I thought it would be so cute, and I love the early 2000s to the late 90s, y'all. Most of my channel is about the late 90s to the, early 2000s and stuff like that. I think this is really cute because I actually love that movie, Princess Diaries. If you have not seen it, babes, please check it out. All the movies that I recommend, because they are very good movies, and it is, something to remember, especially, I definitely remember, that movie growing up, that season again, and my throat is, is all clogged up a little, my nose a little, y'all. So please excuse me in the way that I talk because, also a little chilly, you know what I'm saying? So I got on a house coat, y'all, and I'm trying to prevent myself from, getting even more sick or anything like that. And y'all, I also bought another tiara, which was this one. Y'all, it's all silver. But I think, the one that I got, my old one to be Carrie or whatever, I think it'll go good, because it actually has gold and silver in it. And that dress that I got from the Goodwill, y'all, which was a perfect fit. I have to tell y'all the story about that. But it is like a cream white. Story about my dress from the thrift shop, y'all. I literally, was like, ooh, I'm gonna look for a dress, y'all. And I went and looked for a dress, went to the thrift shop, and boom, I found this white dress, and I was just like, ooh, let me go, go ahead and try it on. So I tried the dress on, and immediately, y'all, it wouldn't really zip up like that until I have, somebody help me out. And then, I zipped up the dress, and boom, it fit just right, y'all. It was a perfect size, literally. And I was like, you know what? This the one. And literally, y'all, when I was picking out this dress ready to try it on, this one lady was like, so are you getting married? And I was like, I wish. And she was like, girl, I've been there and done that. I'm like, wow. Y'all, she sounded like girl, I really been there and done that. Like, I ain't going back. And babes, with this look, I don't think that, you know, I'm going to wear too much dramatic eyeshadow. I'm gonna put on some light base pink or whatever, y'all. No concealer or cut crease or nothing like that. It'll be like a basic rub on, y'all. As y'all can see, it is a basic, screwed that on way too tight. Basic, you know, base pink on me. I kind of want to try out these eyelashes that I got from AliExpress, y'all. I'm not sure, but this is, you know, what they look like. That was totally not it. Like, those lashes is really not what I expected, y'all. You know, the lashes that I wore for the Daphne, the Camp Crystal Lake, and I think the Lady Leatherface too, y'all. And like, they're not ugly lashes, y'all, but they are not meant for this costume. Powder, you know, I just got done contouring or whatever. I was doing my powder and I was like, I forgot to put some. Babes, I will be wearing, you know, like a silverish gold contour. I believe I showed y'all last time, you know, this one or whatever, y'all. I don't know if I'm going to wear lip liner this time, y'all, for my lips. Actually, I'm wanting to, you know, go ahead and do full lipstick. So I'm gonna try, you know, a couple of lipsticks. You know, I got MAC and all that, y'all. I don't know, y'all. I'm thinking about wearing this lipstick, y'all. It's a little choppy. I haven't worn lipstick in so long, y'all. Like, better yet, y'all, I'm gonna mix some lipsticks. So I couldn't do it, y'all. I just couldn't do it. I'm gonna have to add, you know, the lip liner. But I will add, you know, the lipstick that I was gonna wear. I am done. About to spray my face, y'all. I ain't in front of a fan, y'all. I'm having to get another freaking fan. But anyways, y'all. Okay, babes, I am all, you know, done with my hair, my makeup, y'all. It came out so cute, you know, something simple. I officially got on my Princess Diaries costume, y'all. I had to help, I had to have my grandmother and them help me put on the dress, y'all. I guess I probably gained some more pounds. Who knows, y'all? But it make my boobies look big, as y'all can see. You know, I got my earrings in, my shades on, my tiara, and then I also have, you know, the earphones from like the early 2000s, y'all. What the boy from Hardball had on when he was listening to music, trying to pitch, y'all. Love this costume. It is so cute, y'all. It is really giving, okay? Like, I feel so special. I got my hand gloves on, y'all. This is so cute, y'all. I'm really loving it. I'm gonna have to get up and, you know, show y'all my outfit. As y'all know, it's hard to, you know, press the phone with your gloves on and stuff like that, y'all. But this is the lovely, cute outfit, y'all, with my platform boots, you know, my cute dress, y'all, my gloves, you know, my shades, my tiara, and my headphones, y'all, my earrings. All of this go together so well, y'all. I'm loving it. This is a side view, babes. It is really so cute. And, you know, I feel just like, y'all, a lovely princess. The lovely perfume that I will be wearing is the Coach That smells so good, y'all, which is one of my favorites. And I still have a lot of this. It's just, laying this way or whatever. But I'm going to smell good just with this. Y'all, like I said, y'all, I can't get over how well this outfit, came out and looked. I wish my gloves were a lot longer, y'all, but these were some gloves that, I haven't even opened yet, y'all, and I decided to do this look. I got it off of Pinterest, babes, and y'all know I love Pinterest and, getting most of my ideas from there, and this exactly came out how, I wanted it to come out, y'all. I feel just like a little, pretty princess, y'all. I really would love, drop the queen crown emoji, y'all, think I killed this look, y'all, because I really think that I did. I'm a little hot, y'all, for I don't know what. Probably because, it took me forever to get up in this dress, and I had so much to actually put on, y'all. But I really, enjoyed doing this look, y'all. My last look of them all, and, it is just so cute to me how everything came out, y'all. I'm feeling like I am ready to rock out. Yeah, like all the way, totally, okay. And I might even watch Princess Diaries today, y'all. Like, I'm really just kicking back and chilling and just doing what I do. I really want to stay happy Halloween, y'all. Like, seriously, happy Halloween, babes. Like, to all my babes out there, happy Halloween, and I hope you have a safe Halloween, y'all, and have fun, eating all the sweets that you want to eat. I really hope you babes enjoy y'all October and had a blessed October overall, y'all, because I know I sure did, y'all. And it went by so fast. That's all I gotta say, y'all. 2025 will be here before you know it. And that's just on that, y'all. But yeah, drop the crown emoji, y'all, if y'all think that I killed this look, babes, because I really enjoyed it. And y'all, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Mwah.